points, 9th, 8th and 7th number. So let's start from the 8th number. UP Yoddhas. UP Yoddhas is the team on the 8th position. So here if we take a look at the 8th number position is for UP Yoddhas. In it there is going to be Surinder Gill and Bharat. Bharat playing for Bangalore Bulls last season, but this season he is playing for UP Yoddhas and also doing a good job for UP Yoddhas. Surinder Gill, a tall, heighted man who can cross the midline by just reaching, like he is fall down and just reach his hand forward. Still he is just till the midline. That is his specialty. Then Ashu Singh and Bhavani Rajput. These both guys are handling the defense here. So these four guys are the total sum up of UP Yoddhas. UP Yoddhas is this season a little bit ups and downs are coming, but Pradeep Narwal is not there. Vijay is not there. So that is going to be a shocking thing for UP Yoddhas. But still they are on the 8th position and Bangalore Bulls is on the 11th position. If we talk about, we forgot the 10th number. If we talk about the 10th number team, it is going to be Tamil Thalaivaas. Here, really huge expectations were there, even higher than of Bangalore Bulls. Here, the Sachin Tanwar, the highest money bought player, for the most amount of money, this man is bought. And still, you are not playing good. Then what are you doing? That expectations are down, getting down every day. Tamil Thalaivaas, we expected that this team is the one who is going to be in the finals this season. But no, they are in the 10th position. Sachin, we talked, but here comes the next good name, which is Narendra Kandola. These both guys are handling the raiding side of the team Tamil Thalaivaas. They have got a little rough road till this date in the Pro Kabaddi League season 11 matches, and they have Sahil Gulia and Mohin Safagi for the defense. So that was the whole sum of Tamil Thalaivaas. If we have talked about Tamil Thalaivaas, UP Yoddhas, now comes Telugu Titans. Telugu Titans sitting at the 7th position, a good number, but can it be good for Telugu Titans? Because after really long seasons, still this team took entry in the 5th season. 12th position, 12th position, 11th position, 12th position. Every season bad performance. Like in the last 5 seasons, they had only won 3 matches. But here, in this season, because of Pawan Sehrawat or because of Vijay Malik and all the things, I guess this time the luck has shined, and Pawan Sehrawat with Vijay Malik, really good performance. Vijay Malik was first in UP Yoddhas. Vijay, Pradeep and Surinder, these 3 guys used to handle. But here, Vijay Malik and Pawan Sehrawat this season in Telugu Titans showing a good performance, and I had really expected good performance, and they are also showing good performance. So expectations are matched here. Now if we talk about the defense, it is going to be Ajit Pawar, and who is a Maharashtrian guy. Now we have talked about the points table and also the position. Now let's talk about the top 5 raiders who are from Maharashtra. If we take a look at the first name is going to be Ajit Chavan, who has got 91 rate points in just 10 matches, who is from U Mumbai. So here Ajit Chavan, as I said, is a really good raider for U Mumbai, as I have taken his name, and they are also sitting at the 2nd number, which is a no joke for U Mumbai after many seasons. So that is a good thing. Next name is going to be Ajinkya Pawar from Bangalore Bulls, who has also played 10 matches but only got 48 points. So gap here is really vast. So 91 and 48. So still it is good, being on the 2nd number in the top 5 raiders of Maharashtra, that is a good thing. Next name is going to be Shivam Pathare, who is from Haryana Steelers, as he is a little bit of side character in Haryana Steelers, as Vinay is the main raider for their team. He is getting points. Shivam Pathare is there for do or die raids, and his specialty is there for single and double points. That is his specialty. If we talk about Pune's team, there are 2 players from Pune's team in top 5 raiders. Now, as I have said, there are 90% in Pune Repultors teams are from Maharashtra. So how cannot be there raiders in the top 5 position from Maharashtra in Pune's team? So yes, there are last. It is going to be Pankaj Mohite on the 4th position. He has played 9 matches, and out of which he has got 41 rate points. And the last which is going to be the 5th position, it is top 5. There are many Maharashtrian traders, but still these are the top 5. So in the 5th position comes Akash Shinde, who has only played 7 matches. 7 is a lucky number and got 33 rate points. Now this is what we have top 5 raiders from Maharashtra. But the main question comes is from Pro Kabaddi League. Who are the top 5? So coming at we are going to be starting from the 5th number. So 5th number is going to be Nitin Dhankar. Nitin Dhankar is the 5th position. Then if we talk about the 4th position, it is going to be Pawan Kumar Sehrawat, who has got 92 rate points, and Nitin Dhankar has got almost of the 90 points. Yeah, 90 points. 98 points, and Pawan Kumar Sehrawat has 92, a gap of 2. And then if we talk about the 3rd number, it is going to be Arjun Deshwal with a triple digit number. It is going to be 100 rate points, who is from Jaipur Pink Panthers. Pawan Kumar from Telugu Titans, and Nitin Dhankar, good player, but he is going to be from Bengal Warriors and sidekick. But if we talk about the 2nd number and really unexpected player, so who was on the 1st number for 2 to 3 days, it is Devang from Patna. Expected thing that he is from Patna Pirates. This season he is shining. Last season he was even not in substitute. He did not got even chance to take a look at the match. But here he is showing good performance. 150 points, 115 points is no joke. The 1st position is going to be the green slip owner, which is the top raider Ashu Malik in this season, and he has got 128 rate points, who is also captain of the Bangdeli KC. Now if we take a look at the top 5 defenders of the Pro Kabaddi League, we are going to see first and then Maharashtra. As we have seen Maharashtra first in rating side, this time we will see Pro Kabaddi League in the first time. So top 5, let's start from the 5th position. Shadlu, who is there for Haryana Steelers. In the last season he was there for Puneri Paltan, handling the defense, but this season Gaurav Khatri is handling the defense. Gaurav Khatri is going to be there, but here we are talking about Shadlu. Shadlu has got 31 defense points. He is right now taking a look at rating side, so he is trying to be a good all-rounder here. So he is not really focusing on defense right now for Haryana Steelers. He is right now focusing for all-rounding performance. If we talk about the 4th position, it is going to be Sumit Sagwan, who has 32 tackle points. Now here gap is of only 1 point. He can cover it up anytime. So next name is going to be the 3rd number player is Nitin Raval. Nitin Raval, as I said, a really good defender for Bengaluru Bulls. He is at least good in top 5. So top 5, 3rd number is Nitin Raval, who has got 34 tackle points, tied up with the 2nd number, who is going to be Nitesh Kumar, who also has 34 tackle defense points. And at the 1st number, can you guess it? Shadlu was bought by Haryana Steelers. He is at the 5th position. 1st number is going to be Gaurav Khatri with 37 tackle points, and that is a really huge thing, because last season a really low performance, but this season a really skyrocketing, chart blasting performance by Gaurav Khatri. So that was the top 5 defenders. Let's take a look again. 5th number Shadlu, 4th number Sumit Sagwan, 3rd number Nitin Raval, 2nd number Nitesh Kumar, and the 1st number is Gaurav Khatri. So if we talk about the top 5 defenders from Maharashtra, so Maharashtra, the top 5, we are also going to start from the 5th number. It is Arkam Sheikh at the 5th number, who is from Patna Pirates, who has 9 tackle points. 4th number Anuj Gowde, who is for Tamil Thalaiwas, who has got 10 tackle points. Next, Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar is a defender you cannot forget. Ajit Pawar is also an raider, like he is an all-rounder. Ajit Pawar for the Telugu Titans, and that things like in 9 matches he has got 16 rate points is really good. Now if we talk about the 2nd number, Shubham Shinde, the captain of Patna Pirates, and also showing that he is a good captain, like in the match of Patna Pirates against Puneri Paltan, two Maharashtrian captains, two Maharashtrian guys were against each other. So that was a good match, and that in future can be also a good match. Now if we talk about the number one player, it's Mayur Kadam, the guy who handled defense in the national matches for Maharashtra. Yeah, this guy has got 20 tackle points in 10 matches. Whoa, that is a good thing. This was the whole video. Like, let's summarize it. First we saw the points table, then we saw top 5 raiders from Pro Kabaddi, top 5 raiders from Maharashtra, top 5 defenders, top 5 defenders from Maharashtra. This was the whole video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Press the like button and subscribe button if you enjoyed. This was Atharv Shirke in my YouTube channel Atharv Talks. Thank you.